Did I find some $20 Nikes? What the hell? And then Jordan 2s for 40 freaking dollars. Are you serious? Then you got retros on the back wall. All kinds of sizes. More and more retros. This is dope. Got here 15 minutes late. Here at Nike Outlet Watts. Do got 30%. East LA had 40. East LA has 40 this weekend. Of course, the first thing I do look at are the refurbs when I come here. One of the few refurbs that I do see. Dark green and white. Let's go for $80. This does say it is slightly imperfect. When that happens, just make sure you check your pairs. With $80, you get another 30 off on top. Metcon Turbos go for $75. These are 11.5 though. Some Noctas, these are down to $90. These are slightly imperfect. These are 8.5. Zoom Flight 95s. I feel like I've seen these way cheaper at the clearance store. Some indoor soccer shoes. Are these indoor soccer shoes? What are these? No, these ain't indoor soccer shoes. What is that for? What is that for? I don't know what that's for. Javelin or something? I don't know. Something weird. $45. Seen some Jordans right here. These just came out. To be able to get them for 30% off, that is pretty freaking dope. And I do like these. I do like these a lot. Nice leather on them. Got the Fear 3s right here as well in a size 9. Super soft. Trainers in a size 9.5 go for $65. Got a few sizes of these bad boys. Did these make it off the back wall? Yeah, look at that. I think they just came off the back wall. Or the aisles, I mean. Jordan 38s right here, size 9.5, go for $160. Got the 5s right here. I believe these are nubuck. Clean as hell. These are nice, dude. These are nice. $210 for those bad boys. Oh, got the foam mocks right here. The clog posits going for $140. That's just so much for some slides, or I'll take the mules, right? Got some Vapor Fly Next percents right here. $130. That's how cheap. That brings these down to under. That brings them down under $100. So squishy, but it's really, really stiff. So let's have that carbon fiber on it. Under $100. That's crazy. These came out for $260s. Obviously, they're an older one though. $80 for the Be True 97s right here. More Infinity Run 4s go for $80. These are size 9. Get 30 off. What the hell? Really? Really? I happen to be walking to the clothes area. Wow. These are the ones that I've been waiting for them to drop the price at, where is it? At the Foot Locker outlet. $40 freaking dollars. They do have a size 10. I could fit a size 10 on the 2s. A couple of size 10s. Are they going to drop the price? They got 14s, 12.5. They got a few sizes. Wow. Wow. $40 freaking dollars. That's just crazy. Holy cow. I know ain't nobody loving the 2s, but we'll get back to the Jordans. $40. Holy cow. Should I wait? Should I grab them? I don't know. I'm thinking about it. These might be another 30% off. I don't know. I've been talking to you guys about this. The 0.97. Historically, they've given us 40% or 30% off whatever's on the back wall. But lately, they've stopped doing that. And someone told me they might be doing it. Might be back. I'm gonna have to ask around. And I don't even know if this should be on. I don't know if this should even be in the aisles because there aren't even that many sizes. So I don't know. I'm gonna see if I get that 30 off. And if those do sell for like $38, I kind of have to get it. I have to. Got some tech fleece right here. What they talk about? They talk about 65, 30 off on top. So it's like what, $40, something like that, 40 something. And one of the workers asking about that 30%. 90 for these. These are tall. This is super thick though. This is that heavyweight stuff. Got some, I don't know what the hell these are. Some warm-up pants going for $50. Fleece shorts right here, $100 for fleece shorts. They are thick. Was it tech fleece? Maybe they're tech fleece? I don't know. I don't think I've ever seen this shirt. This is dope. It's dope. Black on black on black. 35 bucks. That is a medium. Super thick. Super thick. Great quality. Holy crap. No, only 55 bucks. Holy crap. 55 bucks for a t-shirt. That's insane. Y'all paying 55 for a t-shirt. Y'all are balling. Balling. Way balling. Or way more balling than me. 65 for this thick sweatshirt right here. It's like a poncho. A windbreaker. $70 for that double XL. They do have 2 more racks. Mostly t-shirts on this one. Shorts on this one right here. And then another 2 more racks, all t-shirts, Anything interesting though? Got a dry fit pullover with no price tag. Oh, this one got the USA merch right here. 50, oh, they dropped it down to 15 and 30 off on top. So the Olympic shirts have dropped in price even more. So that's almost $10, almost 10 bucks. Not too bad. The lightweight hoodies right here, 45. The WNBA ones, what are those going for? $60. And these Nike basketball ones go for 61. Did they get rid of the chair? Wasn't there chairs right here? What the hell? All right, I'm gonna try these on. I'm gonna try them on for $40, especially if the 30 off. If they do have the 30% off. Yeah, definitely not paying 200, but if I could get these for under 30 bucks, you know, I'd definitely do that. Do need to get a 10.5 on these. Some stuff I wear 10, sometimes wear 10.5. 10.5 fits. They actually do have a 10.5, which I didn't see earlier. I'm gonna go see if they'll give us the discount on these. And the reason why I'm being extra stingy on sneakers right now, I need to buy a ton of clothes right now. Or not a ton. I do need to buy clothes. I do need to buy clothes because a lot of my clothes don't fit, so I do need to buy more. I need to focus more on clothes than sneakers right now. But I'm gonna ask though. All right, we're gonna finish up the back wall, and then I'll definitely ask about clearance on those. Phantom mids, some blazers right here. They look like some platforms. I've never seen that with the men's. Going for 65. These are 11.5. Center court on sale everywhere, $50, so 35 after the discount. The nicest material Jordans around, $60 for these. The color is just awful. Some people like that, but the material is just so freaking soft on these. Talked about it a gazillion times. But yeah, $60, slightly imperfect, so check your pairs. You got Metcon 9s right here. These are go for 75. They're cheaper. Maybe I'd try them on, but a little high for me. 110 for Air Max 270s. Nike's best-selling shoe for a year or two. I thought that other one was for the Javelin. I guess not. Because Javelins, they wear spikes apparently. That other one might have been like a discus, for discus or hammer throwing. That's why they didn't really have any tread on the bottom. But yeah, $80 for these. I thought they had those off-white ones right here. Nah, just canary yellow or summit. Oh, speed yellow. Size 12. And these trying to fall down on me right here. Pegasus 39s, $100. Holy cow. All right, we finally made it. In the size 14s, Big Feet Gang, trying to see if they've extended size anything. 110 for the 270s. Extended size pricing, that is. But a Nike Attacks go for 70. Blazers right here, $50. I don't see any extended size. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. $28 for Immortalities, really? Pretty much free. $30 on top, so $20 Nikes. Got some $20 Nikes. Guess they did a little bit of extended size pricing. 38 for the Roshis. Invincible run flying at 3s right here. Size 14, 95. They're slightly imperfect though. Did these get any cheaper? Nah, $50. And then as with most outlets, they do have some retros. Don't see that too often though. Got different boxes. What the hell? Color code's the exact same. Color code is the exact same. Those are the black metallic gold Jordan 1 High OGs. Already down, wow. And $80 for Jordan 1 High OGs. Then we've already obsessed over these. I haven't had a chance to talk to someone yet though. We do got the green glow 3s right here, $130. Wow. And of course, plenty of Team J's. On the backside right here, all kinds of Team J's, an entire wall full of Team J's. These are down hella cheap, but I don't even know the name of half of these. And all kinds of budget signatures, Katie Trey 510s, Immortalities right here. Got Witnesses, then also got LeBron 21s right here. Been seeing plenty of these Next Gens. They're all falling in price. See? Right now, it seems like we could just be patient with everything. Well, almost everything. But yeah, I do got the Vapor Max Mocs, Air Max Pluses. I don't think I've ever seen these. Got like a mesh, okay. Air Humeras. These were a Quick Strike? Both of these were Quick Strike? That's kind of crazy. Got some 2017s. Just be patient with all these. Vomero 5s right here. Nike Attacks. Terminator Highs, cheapest we've seen those. Another one right here. Yeah, I feel like they just forgot one of these today. 4 of them Jordan 2s. And then the pennies right here, the social status collabs. These are definitely the cheapest. We've seen these, $70. They're gonna drop even more. They got plenty of sizes. They're gonna drop even further. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna wait a couple more weeks, and we're gonna continue to monitor that. All right, I did talk to them. Yep, 30% off. So, yeah, man, I gotta grab these, dude. $28, $28. All right, I did see a reseller scanning to see if there's any profit on those. So hopefully they last. I'm gonna make a short in a few minutes. Hopefully they last for more than a few minutes. But we're gonna check out the women's clearance for a minute. Before we get there, let's talk about what I got on feet. My feet have been killing me lately. So I've been wearing these a ton. These have been my dailies for a while. But yeah, Pegasus Turbos, Pegasus 35 Turbos. Got that Zoom X. These have been saving my feet the past, 2-3 weeks? I have a doctor's appointment with a sports specialist, I believe. Sports specialist or something. I don't know. I went to my regular doctor. Got x-rays and stuff. I need to check on those results. I do have on the Revival Tech Fleece. I had to remember what the hell it's called. But yeah, the Tech Fleece, this is a size small and it does fit. What's up? Been focusing my life on losing weight right now. So been pretty obsessive about that. All right, let's go see what's up with the women's section. So many people have been asking about what's the secret. Just eat less and work out, dude. Eat less, work out. That's pretty much about it. But yeah, do got these Air Max Jesus sandals right here. Coco sandals going for $50. These are a size 12 women's. Air Maxes right here. Oh, these are great. It's cool. $100. Size 11 Air Max 97s going for $85. Jordan 1 with no laces. No price tag as well. Do got the Jordan 1 Low OG. UNC to Chicago's go for $95 right here. Did I say 95? What the hell am I talking about? Go for retail, you get 30 off. I saw a 9.5 and I said 95. What the hell? What am I on right now? What am I on? 130 for these. Speaking of what am I on? What's Nike on, dude? 130? Nobody paying no 130 for those. And that's coming from someone who does like Jordan 2s. I think this would be like my 6 or 7 Jordan 2. So I do have plenty, but I know most people ain't into them, especially $130. But do got these right here. Christmas pair of Jordan 1 Low OGs, $100. So at least that's $70. Jordan 1 High OG. Thank you, staff, for giving us the box top on this one. But yeah, that's kind of whatever. $150. That is a size 11. 9.5 men's. Still got these right here. The reverse Laney's 120, size 7. Air spans in the wrong section. This is a men's 10 right here, going for $60. Size 7 Jordan 2s right here, $75. More of these. Size 6.5 right here, $65 for the Sabrinas. These are gently worn. Seeing a lot of the same stuff. The reverse Laney Jordans right here, the Christmas Jordan 1 Lows right there, the UNC to Chicago's. A lot of repeats, man. A lot of repeats in the women's sizes. All right, the reseller did pass on these. I'm gonna make a little short for you guys. Make sure you guys pay attention to the channel because that's the cheapest we've ever seen them, right? Got all kinds of Lakers gear right here, but regular price. So y'all know how to mess with regular price. Well, 75 down to 55. regular outlet prices, but we need steep steals, man. Steep discounts, my bad. Steep discounts. $50 for those long sleeve shirts right there. 60 or 40 for those. Right now, Lids also does have a 30% off their clearance section, so you might want to check them out. I do have a video coming up about that, or did I already release it? Maybe I already released it. But yeah, 85 for these right here. Oh yeah, I did release it. It was on my Ontario Mills video, so hope you guys check that one out. Do got Tech fleece right here, 105. These are the ones with no hoodie on the back though, but there are Tech fleece jackets, which are pretty sick. 105 for both of those. They got the traditional OG looking Tech fleece right here. These are the ones with the hoodie on the back. $100 for those. I don't know if you get 30 off though, I don't know. But if you need Tech fleece, you should be hitting up the Nike clearance store. 45 for these hoodies right here. The bottoms only deal, just like the bar that I'm gonna open up called Bottoms Only. But yeah, $45 for those sweats. You get another 30 off. 30% off Nike Air t-shirts. These are going for $25. Also I thought these were the Nike Air sweatshirts, but these are Nike sweatshirts, two-toned. Bad boys going for $50. Plenty of sizes, got black and white as well, go for $50. Graphic tees go for $12.50 each if you buy two of them. And then they got the Watts t-shirts if y'all live in the area, $30. Don't get any additional discounts. You're not going to find these at too many other locations. That's a cool thing. But yeah, I saw that sign. I was like, 40%? No, it's the shorts right here where you do get another 40% or $40 and then 40% off on top of that. All right, we're going to talk about these, and we're also going to talk about what's going on in the aisles and how I've said, hey, you get 40% off, or you do get a discount on the 9-7 items, but sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. We're going to talk about that. And they got releases right here. These just released, and they already have them up here. They got another one up there as well. Crazy. And then what's really crazy, $28. Paid $28 for these Jordan 2s. It was, what, $30 and change? Here's the receipt. I always get a couple schmucks thinking I'm lying about stuff. Why would I lie about stuff? Truth is so good. Truth is so good plenty of times. Holy, got $30 freaking dollars. Make sure you guys follow my shorts and stuff like that, because I'm going to release a short. So those of y'all that live close, y'all can cop these bad boys, man. Way too cheap, $28. Checking out Nike Community Store Watts. And $40, that's pretty decent for these. Not too bad. But as you can see, all the 9-7s in the aisles do get 30% off. Pretty much every model here, including these Terminators, as well as the Kentucky Blue, and even the Roshis. So it seems like someone just forgot that little piece right here. So I'm gonna grab mine. $28. $28. They do have a few sizes left. And of course, you know, I got a full video coming. Checking out the entire Nike outlets right here. Back wall, they do have 30% off right here, unlike East LA who has 40. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. I'm gonna grab this pair right here for a steal. And we're gonna talk about this at the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. Stay tuned. Jumpman LA, finally back. Look at this, they got military blue 4s. These just released this morning. They have one of the dopest Jordan sections right here. And they do have the Kobe 9s right here. Got the Bad Bunny Gazelles right here. And of course with the flex stores, first thing I do look at is the 70% off section. What? Dodger starter jacket, 70 effing % off?